This video covers using Offshore Navigation VBA to reduce the sight of the moon. The moon sight's different from all of the other sight reductions in this program in that I have not yet implemented an ephemeris for the moon in the program. Therefore, you need a nautical almanac to supply the astronomical data or the ephemeris data for the moon to reduce the sight in this program. The main function the program then provides is that it will provide do the arithmetic and eliminating potential errors, and it would also allow you to use a moon sight in conjunction with the other sites to produce fixes and other program functions. So let's start a moon sight here. I've entered the DR position in the position data record data section of 46 degrees 15 minutes north, 132 degrees 30 minutes west longitude. So now we need to just enter the sight data. We've actually taken an upper limb sight of the moon, and the time of the sight was 00:53 and 37 seconds. There's no correction for the time. The section altitude was 24 degrees 55.4 minutes. The sextant altitude and the height of eye have already been entered, so we now have a corrected sight here of 24 degrees .482, but there are more corrections that need to be added to this sight. The program has prompted me to enter the almanac data in this section. For the 20th of May, it wants the Greenwich hour angle at 0000 and at 0100, the declination at the same time, and then the horizontal parallax and semi-diameter for that date. So let's start. Going to the nautical almanac, I see that the Greenwich hour angle at 0000 is 68 degrees 55.6 minutes. At 0100 it's 83 degrees 24.8 minutes. The declination at 00 is south 20.4 minutes, and at 0100 it's south 33.4 minutes. The horizontal parallax is 59.5 minutes, and the semi-diameter is 16.2 minutes. Entering that data, we now here have a reduction of the moon sight to an intercept of 9.5 nautical miles away on a zenith direction of 121 degrees true. You notice that based on the data I entered in, additional corrections for the moon sight have been calculated for refraction, parallax correction, and the limb correction. Now this sight is just the same as any other sight. I can send it to the log with the estimated position generated by this one sight. I can save the sight to the workbook so that it can be there with other sights, moon sights I may have taken. That covers the reduction of a moon sight using Offshore Navigation VBA.